the day with every little duck along the way. Boom went the dump around the curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve into the mud for the big red truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Heavy duty dump truck tires stuck down in the honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared. Nobody heard or nobody cared. We gotta let the dog Then into the mud, bump, 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 came Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might, something about the big good kite. Help, 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 cried Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, 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 and the cow came running with the pig and the sheep. The hen came flapping with the chicken and the duck, and everybody pushed that Little Blue Truck. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. The goat jumped over the fence, of course. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load, but then who came up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, beep, neigh, croak, ma, beep, beep, beep. Yay!